Baking soda is a kitchen staple and has so many uses, but it can be difficult to know all of them. In this video I'm going to show you 10 baking soda tricks that every woman should know. Hi, welcome back to BodyTube. Before we get started, if you are looking for health and fitness tips, then you are in the right place. Consider subscribing. And these are some tips for how you can use baking soda in the kitchen. Now most people associate baking powder with pies or cakes, but there's more to it than that. Whether you're cooking pancakes or poached eggs, here are 10 ways that baking powder can help make your life easier around the house. Number 1. Relieves heartburn. Add a pinch of baking soda to the water and drink it, to get quick remedy from the trouble of acid reflux or heartburn. Number 2. Teeth whitening. Brush your teeth with baking soda daily to get white teeth. Number 3. Relieves sunburns. Prepare a paste of baking soda and water and apply it to the affected area of your body to soothe the redness and inflammation as a result of the sunburn. Number 4. Relieves bad breath. Mix some baking soda in water and gargle to eliminate terrible breath immediately. Number 5. Relieves stretch marks. Apply a paste of baking soda and water over the stretch marks to reduce them. Number 6. Enhances hair quality. If you want to increase the volume of your hair, add a pinch of baking soda to the shampoo, even as making use of it at the hairs. It will even help in enhancing the quality of hairs. Number 7. A wonderful facial scrub. Add some water to baking soda and use it for exfoliation. This maintains skin troubles like acne, blackheads, and whiteheads away. Number 8. Relieves insect stings and bites. Gently add the paste of baking soda and water to the affected region for easing the infection and redness caused by the insect bite or stab. Number 9. Cleans stains. Rub a mixture of water and baking soda onto the stain and then wash it. Alternatively, you could replace water with vinegar to remove stains from the carpet. Number 10. Polishes your jewelry. Make your silver jewelry portions shinier than ever by rubbing a paste of baking soda and water onto them. Next, wash them with water and you are ready to go. Number 11. Treats the odor from fridge. Keep an open package of baking soda in the fridge. It's going to help in neutralizing the awful smell from the refrigerator. Number 12. Cures tooth abscesses. Brush your tooth with a paste of baking soda and water to treat tooth abscesses. It also helps you to get rid of a toothache. Number 13. Softens legumes. Add a dash of baking soda at the same time as boiling the legumes. It will assist in making them extra soft. Number 14. A natural deodorant. Mix some water and baking soda and apply it on the underarms to deal with the awful smell in the summertime. Number 15. Mouth sores. If you have canker sores, simply rinse your mouth with a mixture of baking soda and warm water 2 or 3 times a day. You will see results in 3 to 4 days. What do you think? Did I miss anything? If so, please let me know in the comments down below, and also if you find this video useful, please leave a thumbs up and consider subscribing, so you won't miss another upload of my videos.